Hi, everyone. If you're passionate about operationalizing disruptive innovation and making it more achievable within your organization, the best place to start is teaching your leadership. I'm Marguerite Johnson, and I'm the author of Disruptive Innovation and Digital Transformation. And the goal of this course, this IRI track course, Navigating Disruption, Be the Disruptor, is to help businesses realize and achieve their goal of being disruptive. And that starts with teaching your leaders. So this is my second year teaching this class. Very positive feedback from all those who've attended. And I don't want to steal the thunder, but if you've been participating in the headlines or watching the headlines, I should say, then you're probably already aware that disruptive innovation is happening all around you. So I need not, explain to you that this is a relevant topic for today. In this navigating disruption class, we're going to tackle 4 breakout sessions in small groups. And those 4 breakout sessions they're going to help you to interpret what disruption is and what it isn't. It's going to help you identify when you need to move, because maneuverability is very much crucial in the digital age for disruptive innovation. It's also going to help you discern when a product and service and business model need to interact simultaneously. You cannot be in one without the others. And it's also going to kind of settle down all of the hype and curiosity about what disruptive innovation is. It's going to make it very much more tangible, something that you can have, hold, measure, and teach. So I invite you to join me November 30th for IRI's track, Navigating Disruption, Be the Disruptor. I look forward to seeing you. Take care.